Hello all. We've been getting a lot of calls about the Sherlock twist hose for the handheld vacuum, and we're doing today a demonstration as to why the Sherlock is not fitting the vacuums that's not listed in the description below. This is the Sherlock twist-on hose. It has a notch that lines up with the notch in the door, and you just line the notch up, slide it in, and twist, and it locks into place. This hose will not fit into the other models. It will go into the door, but it will not lock. It just falls right out. So if your model is not listed in the description below, this hose will not fit. Again, you just put it into the door, line it up, twist, and it fits perfectly the models that's listed in our description below.
Okay, here's a close-up of the two doors with the different fittings. And if we look closer on this one, you can see the notch inside there that the hose fits in because it has a cutout on the hose coupling. Okay, so that's what this hose will fit. This door, if you put the hose into this opening, there's no notch, nothing to connect to, it'll simply fall right out. So do not buy this hose if you have this type of door here. Hope this helps you. We are a small business, and if you like and subscribe or make a comment, it helps us make more videos of this sort. So please try to help us out. Have a great day, and we'll see you next time.